being a student, it is not always possible to like pay the hefty fee, right? Which are being asked by other organizations. So AlmaBetter was picking on that factor, like the fee was quite affordable. My name is Ankur Bhattacharjee. So I'm from Guwahati, Assam. I did my BSc and MSc in physics itself. I got introduced to the field of data science and machine learning while I was attending a workshop. So I was like, okay, this looks really cool and really interesting. And after I completed my master's, so I was like keen on joining some course since there were a lot of courses online and they were charging quite high amount. For the price should be low and the content should be good. So there I got introduced to Alma Better. The course structure was really good. It was really systematic. From the beginning itself, the Alma Mater mentors actually encouraged us to form a study group so that our understanding of the topic becomes more and more clearer. And also, the course was quite rigorous and extensive in a way that after every classes we were given assignments. So the project also got kicked off. Like the projects were really good. There are 2 points like the team building session and like the assignments. These two stands out really well. So I completed all the modules. And I thought of like tests like how I perform in the interviews. To my surprise, the questions, the topics that were asked, that were more or less in the vicinity of the topics that were being taught in the classes itself.